For many Kawasaki fans, the waiting is killing them. For the venerable KLR 650, what in the world is Kawasaki going to introduce to the market? The Go Anywhere device, which is mechanically straightforward, is quite popular. Without a doubt, Kawasaki won't want to pass up the chance to lead the market segment that is quickly emerging as the most fascinating of recent times. Off-road motorcycles that are suitable for all purposes, but have an extremely adventurous appearance and flavor, particularly the Paris-Dakar style from the 1980s and 1990s. Bezzi has created a unique design that is sure to please lovers of the Kawasaki KLR. Don't go anywhere. Stay here. According to Bezzi, the Versys 650cc bike served as the technical basis for his 700cc twin-cylinder bike. However, the machine's cutting-edge chassis makes it appropriate for challenging off-road riding as well. Bezzi has a contemporary feel, yet it still has the vibe of the 1990s Kawasaki KLR 650 Tengai. He made a special effort to modernize the Paris-Dakar aesthetic of the 1990s. The Tengai was a sturdy and peculiar device. That being said, even with its fairly meager single-cylinder engine, it was not particularly sporty, despite its strength. More power and torque would be available from Bezzi's twin-cylinder, Versys-based design, which would help lessen the shortcomings of the KLR's engine. But Bezzi also makes it plain that his bike would not be used for competition. A younger, more sporty audience is the target audience instead. An adventure-seeking bike that can travel anywhere there is a road. The Kawasaki KLR 700 Tengai concept creates a more modern design, while maintaining the characteristics of the KLR Tengai. Design elements include an aggressively styled headlight that reflects a street predator, a seat designed for maximum comfort, and a large fuel tank, while maintaining the characteristics of an adventure bike. Unfortunately, there are still no leaks regarding the detailed engine specifications for this adventure motorbike.